What's up? How you doing? I'm inside of a old abandoned train car um, at the Gold Coast Railroad Museum out in the back in the graveyard, they call it. Um, Pretty spooky. I'm gonna flip the camera around for you. What's up, y'all? How you doing? What's up, man? What's up, Gabriel? I'm at the Gold Coast Railroad Museum in Miami, out in the back. They call it the graveyard. It's where some old trades kind of. They call it the graveyard. It's where some old trades kind of come to rest in peace. And we've been getting some paranormal activity here. Um, Doing a few EVPs, some other things, and some of the other train cars. Been pretty active. So I'm just here by myself actually right now. My rest of my team wandered over to another cart, and it started to rain. So just kind of exploring, looking around here. Um, if you guys want, I could try to see if I can do an EVP session and see if we can get any spirits here to communicate with us. Let's let's see what I can do here. So I got my DR60 here, and if there's any spirits here or any people here that want to communicate with me, now's your chance. I'm going to set this recorder down on this seat, and if there's anything you want to say, you can go ahead and say it in this recorder, and we can hear you. Hello, my name's Mike. Can you tell me your name? If you're here, can you speak into this recorder? Hello, my name is Mike. Can you tell me your name? If you're here, can you speak into this recorder? Nothing. I don't know any history about this train car. The other ones that are inside that we were getting a lot of activity in, we we kind of know some of the history. We were in the dining cart and we kept getting eat on the obelisk in the spirit box, like over. See if I can get anything here. Hey, how you doing? Let's see if I can get an EVP here. Hello, my name is Mike. If anybody's here, can you come over and communicate with me? You could talk to this recorder I just sat down, and we can hear you. Can you tell me your name? Yeah, so I am in a train and I am ghost hunting. Hello, my name is Mike. If anybody's here, can you come over and communicate with me? You can talk to this recorder I just sat down, and we can hear you. Can you tell me your name? I heard something there. I don't know if you guys heard that. Did you hear that? I'm going to play it back. Hello, my name is Mike. If anybody's here, can you come over and communicate with me? You can talk to this recorder I just sat down, and we can hear you. Can you tell me your name? No, I mean, I am alone in this cart right now, but my rest of my team, well, a couple members of my team are here somewhere in one of these other carts, and it started to rain and we got kind of split up, so I'm just hanging out here seeing if I can catch a couple EVPs, so I went live. It's Gold Coast Railroad Museum in Miami. They got a lot of old train cars here. We're in the way back where they have a lot of the old cars that are in uh, pretty poor condition. I'm in an engine, so I just got some when I do it, so there's no manipulation or somebody can't say, "Oh, that's your finger rubbing across the speaker or microphone or something." So I'm just going to set it here. I'm going to ask a question and see if we can get another response. Oh shit! I feel something crawling on my neck. Oh, that's on a spider. All right. So, hello, my name is Mike. I thought I heard you say something, but I couldn't really make it out. Can you go ahead and tell me your name? There's nothing to worry about. I'm not here to hurt. I want to communicate with you. If there's anything you want to say, come over and say it to this device. I heard something there for sure. Can you guys make out what it's saying? Card. So I'm in here by myself, just you guys. Uh, Happened to get like a little bit of a response in the EVP. Couldn't really make it out. Um, I would venture off to one of the other carts, but like I said, it's still kind of raining. I don't really feel like getting soaking wet right now. Um, do you guys have any questions that you would like me to ask? What's up, Anthony? How you doing? Hey, any of you guys are on this live feed with me. If you want me to ask dictation, so it's made to pick up voice. Hello. I didn't really hear what you said. Um, did you work on this train? Were you an engineer? Yes, I did. Whoa. I'm gonna play that again for you guys. Hey, what's up, Brandon? Yeah, we've been here at the Gold Coast Railroad Museum in Miami um, since, I don't know, 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's a lockdown. They're going to come back and open it in the morning. Well, probably another hour or so now. So we're doing a full lockdown investigation here. Um, we got some really outstanding evidence. Um, we're in the we're in the food cart, and we kept getting eat on the obelisk, and we were getting spirit box responses saying eat. Um, we had some REN pods going off. We had some catapult activity. We've done a lot of different train cars tonight, and used a lot of different devices. Um, been here since, like I said, 4 o'clock this afternoon, so I'm pretty tired. But I kind of got a little separated from my team. It started raining, and I climbed up in this cart here, and they went off to one of the other carts over there. I'm gonna try to start heading back a little bit, um, but if you guys want to stay, have at it. It's gonna get a little jumbly because I got to climb all the way down out of this sucker without busting my ass. So bear with me for 1 second while I try to climb down. Sorry, everybody. I'm climbing out of this cart. All right, I'm down. All right, let me break out my flashlight so we can see what's going on here. So there's a lot of activity at this particular museum. Um, we do events here for them, Warparty Paranormal. So in return for when we raise money for them doing events, they let us do lockdown overnight investigations. Um, I see some lights over there, so that's probably the rest of my team. But we've seen shadow figures back here, so keep your eyes peeled. Um, we've seen thermal anomalies from thermal vision cameras. We've got a bunch of EVPs, REM pod activity, obelisk. Yeah, I see a flashlight. So, hey, yeah, I'm good, man. So I'm gonna walk back towards the main part of the museum here. Sorry guys, I know this is a little boring, but I'll do an EVP as soon as I can get out of the rain here. What happened? No, it was raining, so I didn't want to get down. Yeah, I got a EVP and that engineer cart. Couldn't really make it out 100%, but it was definitely vocal.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, I got spiders and shit on me. This is
We went into the
Joeernesto,
whole. What's up?
and then we got Joe. Joe hunts ghost,
What's up?
and
Coming to you live.
just kind of checking it out. What'd you guys find?
Nothing. We went into like that really old cart, did some EVPs in there. We didn't really get anything, but it was
Okay.
like fucking creepy as shit in there. It was like hard to get out too. Like we went all the way to the fucking front and had to turn back around. There's no way out, and then we just went back.
All right, cool.
Eric still has his camera in the machine room, the mechanic room,
Okay.
and I don't know. I was thinking we do the Estes in like maybe the Zephyr and just get out of here.
All right, cool.
That work?
Sure. All right, so let's do it.
Should we just grab his shit while we're here? Might as well. Yeah, right.
Yeah, and then I could do a couple EVPs for these guys, and then I'll have to sign off. We'll finish up our last little bit of filming, and I'm sure I'll follow me if you're on my live right now, and I'll be posting some other videos and evidence that we found. So right over here, this room is the mechanics room. This used to be an old naval base, blimp base, and it was torn down during one of the hurricanes. Oh shit, I'm walking through water. Now I got wet feet. Awesome. So it's pretty neat in here. We heard some stuff moving around in the bathroom. Saw some shadow figures. We had some REM pod activity. We got some EVPs. Pretty spooky, gross old bathroom in here.
There you go.
There's a camera we came to retrieve. Still got a REM pod in here. Anybody in here, you can make that pod go off for us. That'd be awesome. Just come over and touch that antenna. Anthony, what'd you see? Because I was trying to walk and film at the same time. All right, so let's see if we can get an EVP here. Actually, you know what? Let's go in the bathroom.
Yeah, I don't like the vibe in here, bro.
No, definitely a fucking spooky vibe, man.
This is where I was standing, where I had, when we were both getting that experience.
Can you tell the guys?
Yeah, come on here. So, I was out here with our friend Aaron, and she and I were standing here.
So Aaron is with Hauntings Across America. And she came out, special guest tonight with Eric on his Instagram live. This is and Joe Hunts Ghost on Instagram.
So we came out here. The guys were out shooting, filming in some other areas. Aaron and I came in here. We set a REM pod here. I was actually standing where Ernesto's standing. I'm standing where Aaron's standing. And I'm just looking down that way. And the REM pod would hit, but it would just be like one chirp. It would just go beep.
That's what was happening to us when we were in here.
And then when it would chirp there, then we'd hear something in the bathroom. Then we'd hear something back here along this wall over there. Then we would hear something on this shelf. Right over here.
I just heard something over here now.
Yeah. And then the REM pod would chirp again. And it would do that constantly. And then after a few minutes, Erin's telling me she's getting touched. And what she felt was like if she was getting felt up. She said it started from like her lower leg, riding up like two hands, just riding up her leg. While I was standing here, and we're doing EVP during that time, I felt in the dead center of my back a poke, and then a poke and push, like it was like trying to push me. I feel towards that back room because I was facing that back room, and
So we also got a couple EVPs before you guys had this experience, and we got a Frankfurt.
Yep, Frankfurt.
So maybe Frankfurt's likes the women.
yeah.
So I'm gonna try an EVP over here for the folks that are on our live here. All right, I'm gonna set this down this disgusting toilet and see if we can get a response. Hello, my name's Mike. We're back. We got Joe and Ernesto here. We were visiting with you earlier. Can you tell us your name? And tell us why you're still here?
Was that you that pushed me and was touching Aaron?
Oh, son of a bitch.
It was a recording.
I had it on hold. All right, my name's Mike. We got Joe and Ernesto here. We're back. If there's anything you want to tell us, now's your time.
I want to know who's messing with me.
Was that you touching Joe? Were you touching our friend Aaron? Whoa. Joe and Ernesto here. We're back. If there's anything you want to tell us, now's your time. Was that you touching Joe? Were you touching our friend Aaron? Got something in the beginning there. All right, my name's Mike. We got Joe and Ernesto here. We're back. If there's anything you want to tell us, now's your time. Was that you touching Joe? Were you touching our friend Aaron?
I tell you what, we got a scream on here that sounded like something I've never heard before.
Really?
And with the DR60s, we get a lot of these yells and screams, and it sounds, angry. This thing, it almost didn't sound like human. Like, I don't know.
Why don't you see if you can get somebody to communicate with you?
All right. I'm back where I was before. Is there anything that you want to tell me directly? Can you push me again?
Can you touch me or can you touch Ernesto?
Tell me your name.
Dude, I got like a weird like metallic taste in my mouth.
I'm back where I was before. Is there anything that you want to tell me directly? Can you push me again? Can you touch me or can you touch Ernesto? Tell me your name.
Hmm. All right, well, we're gonna head on back. It's getting pretty late. Thanks, guys. Well, I'll be back again live another time, and but follow me for more content from tonight and in the near future. Thank you all.